Chinese mini skid steer that I have been modifying to use as a second set of hands for me, installing railings and things. And what I want to do is put an ATV winch in this area. So I'm going to move this oil cooler up about 3 inches to give me room to put the winch right here in this area. Yeah, that winch is installed. It's the bracket to raise the oil cooler up 4 inches to make room. Everything seems to work pretty good. Let's use the switch. There it is with the There's 2 pieces of 1 inch leftover air plate I welded in temporarily for a counterweight to see how it works. Might make that permanent. Then I'm going to replace this with something a little bit more user friendly. I had this, which I didn't like. Made it extremely hard to fuel, so we're gonna see what I can do about that next.